Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we'll be starting chapter number 2, multiplication and division. We are following primary mathematics Oxford New Syllabus for grade 4. And we'll be studying multiplication and division in this chapter. First topic is factors. So what are the factors? What is the meaning of factors? So remember, factors mean divisors. Divisors of a number are called factors. We'll take some examples. Let's suppose we have number 8. We can divide this number with 1. We can divide this number on the table of 2. 2 4s are 8. We can divide this number by number 4. 4 2s are 8. We can divide this number by number 8. 8 1s are 8. So the divisor where we have the remainder 0, these are called factors. Like 8 divided by 1, 1 8s are 8. Remainder is 0. 2 4s are 8. Remainder is 0. 4 2s are 8. Remainder is 0. 8 1s are 8 and remainder is 0. Okay. So these divisors where we get the remainder 0 are called its factors. So these are the divisors, or we can say these are the factors for number 8. Okay. Likewise, let's suppose we have number 12. 12 can be divided by 1. 1 12s are 12. You need to go through the tables. 12 divided by 2. 2 6s are 12. 12 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. Remainder is 0. 12 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. Remainder is 0. Then 12 divided by 6. 6 2s are 12. So remainder is 0. 6. Then comes 12. 12 1s are 12s. Okay. 1 2 3 6 12. These are such divisors where we get 0 remainder. So these are the factors for number 12. So we'll be going through some more examples so that you have more clarity on the topic factors. Let's suppose we have number 16. So for the number 16, we need to find its factors. So we'll start for 16. It can be divided by 1. 1 16s are 16. It can be divided by 2. 2 8s are 16. It can be divided by 4. 4 4s are 16. It can be divided by 8. 8 2s are 16. And then 16 1s are 16. So it can be divided by 16. So when we divide by these dividers 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So we get the remainder 0. Okay. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16s are the factors for number 16. See, 16 divided by 1. 1 1s are 1. 6 comes here. 1 6 are 6. So no remainder 16. 1 16s are 16. So 1 is the divisor where remainder is 0. Then 16 divided by 2. 2 8s are 16. No remainder. Then we have 16 divided by 4. 4 4s are 16. Remainder 0. Then we have 16 divided by 8. 8 2s are 16. Remainder 0. Then we have 16 divided by 16. 16 1s are 16. Remainder 0. So here, by dividing by 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16, we get the remainder 0. So the factors of 16s are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay. So this is how we find the factors by dividing. So when we are talking about the division, you must know the tables of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. so that you can do the division and multiplication. For both division and multiplication, you need to remember the tables. So you know very well the tables. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, tens are 2 tens are 20. There's a gap of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay. So by this way, you need to sit and try to memorize the table of 2. Similarly, if you go for a table of 3, you can do like this. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 threes are, 3 fours are, 3 fives are, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. Here we have a difference of 3. 3, then 6, then 9, then 12, then 15. After that we have 3 6 are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, and 3 tens are 30. So you need to memorize the table for 3. Similarly, if we go for 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. We have 4 ones are, 4 twos are, 4 threes are, 4 fours are, 4 fives are. Here difference of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Then we have 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, and 4 tens are 40. So by this way, continue up till 10. The table of 5 is very easy because it has a difference of 5. Like, see, here comes 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay. Then we have 5 6 are, 5 7s are, 5 8s are, 5 9s are, 5 10s are. After 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. So there is a gap of 5 in the answer. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5, 10, 15, like this. We have a gap of 5 to memorize table of 5. Similarly, table of 10 is very easy. 10 ones are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like this. See, table of 10 is very easy. 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, and 10 nines are 90, and 10 tens are 100. There is a gap of 10. Okay, so you can easily memorize the table for number 10. Now back to our topic, factors. We need to see, we are page number 29, chapter number 2. Is 7 a factor of 16? Is 7 factor for 16? Number 16. What we'll do, we will check for the 16, we will divide it with the 7. We will see if we get the remainder 0, then it is a factor. If remainder is not 0, then it is not a factor. 7 twos are 14, 2 is the remainder. So this is not a factor for 16. Okay. And point number 4 is find all the factors of 28. Very easy. We can divide it with 1. We can divide it with 2. 2 14s are 28. We can divide it with 4. 4 7s are 28. We can divide it with 7. 7 4s are 28. We can divide it with 14. 14 2s are 28. And we can divide it with 28. So 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28. These are the numbers which are the divisors. When we divide 28 with these numbers, we get the remainder 0. So these are the factors of 28. Factors 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. These are the factors for number 28. Now we move forward to point number 5 on page number 29. What are all the factors of 100? So we can divide 100 with 1, with 2, 250s are 100, then with 4, 425s are 100, then with 5, 520s are 100, then with 10, 10 tens are 100. After that we can divide it with 20, 25s are 100. After that 25, 25 fours are 100, then with 50, 52s are 100, and with 100, 100 ones are 100. Okay, so its factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50 and 100. Okay, you can do like this. 1 into 100 is 100. This is the factor, this is the factor. Okay, then 2 into 50 are 100. This is the factor, this is the factor. After that 4 into 25 are 100. This is the factor, this is the factor. After that 520 are 100. 5 is the factor, 20 is the factor. Okay, and then we have 10 tens are 100. So 10 is also factor. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50, 100. Okay, these are the factors for number 100. Okay, so you need to have strong memorization of tables to do this chapter, because both in division and multiplication we need the tables. Okay, now we need to do number 6, which is common factors. Okay, we need to learn about the common factors. Number is 24 and 32. First we need to know how to find the factors for 24. 24 can be divided by 1. We will get 0 remainder. 124s are 24. Then 24 can be divided with the 2. Number 2. 2 12s are 24. No remainder. Then we divide 24 with 4. 4 6 are 24. Remainder is 0. Then we divide 24 with the 6. Number 6. 6 4s are 24. No remainder. 6 is the factor. 24 can be divided by 8. 8 3s are 24. So 3 is also a factor. If we divide 24 by 3, 3 8s are 24. We can divide 24 with 6. 6 4s are, or with the 6 with the 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 is the factor. We can divide 24 with the 6. 6 4s are 24. 6 is the factor. We can divide 24 with the 8. 8 3s are 24. Then we can divide 24 with the 12. 12 2s are 24. Then we can divide it with 24. So these are the factors. When we divide 24 with these numbers, remainder is 0. So these are the factors for 24. Similarly, we will be finding the factors for 32. We can divide it with 1. No remainder. 1 32s are 32. With the 2, 2 into 16 is 32. So 0 remainder. Then we can divide with the 4. 4 8s are 32. No remainder. So 4. Then after 4 we can divide it with 8. 8 4s are 32. No remainder. Then we can divide 32 with the 16. 16 2s are 32. No remainder. Then we can divide it with 32. So these are the factors, our divisor, where we get the 0 remainder. So these are the factors for 32. Now we have the factors for 24, this, factors for 32, this. We need to find the common factors of these two. Common factors. Common factors means the numbers which are present in both the factors list. Okay, for 24 and 32. We see 1 is here, 1 is here. So this is common. It is lying in both the lines, here and here. We can see 2 is here, 2 is here, so this is common. Both have this factor. Then we see number 4. 4 is here, 4 is here, this is common, okay. Then we see number 8, this is present in both the lists, so 8 is the common factor. 1, 2, 4, 8 are the common factors for number 24 and number 32. Now we want to move ahead. We'll see what's coming on our way on page number 7. What are the common factors for 8 and 36? We'll be quick here. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. For 36, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 12. Then we have 18. Then we have 36. These are the factors for 8 and 36. Then we can find common factors, the numbers which are appearing in both the lists. Here we have 1, 1, 2, 2. Here we have 4, here we have 4. Finish. So we have 1, 2, 4. These are the common factors. Okay. Now we move ahead and we see on page number 30, there are 2 questions. List all the factors of each number. And the question number 2 is, what are the common factors of each pair of numbers? So you need to do these questions yourself so that you have a practice and it will be easier for you. So this was all about lesson number 1 and up till page number 30. So we have completed the lesson number 1. Now we'll be doing quickly lesson number 2. Lesson number 2, we need to change the topic. The topic comes on our way is multiples. Multiples is this from where? From multiply. Okay. When we do the tables, we are actually multiplying. 2 1s are 2. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. 4 5s are 20. 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. So basically we are multiplying. So multiples is multiplying. It is actually multiples is means to do tables. Multiples means to do tables. Okay. If we say that we need to find the multiples of 2. So multiples of 2, okay. Multiples of number 2. So we will just simply write the table for 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. So the multiples of 2 are the tables for 2. Okay, so these are the multiples for number 2. Now we see that on page number 31 we have a question that it is written like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is given. They say list the next 7 multiples of 5. Next 7. So after 25 comes 30, then comes 35. This is the table for 5. So we are writing the multiples of 5 means these are given. So we need to complete the table of 5 for 7 more numbers. 30, 35, then we know 40, 45, 50, 55, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then 60. Okay. So these are the next 7 multiples for number 5. Multiples means that we need to write the tables. Okay. Multiple means tables. Okay. Multiple comes from multiplication. Okay. So Number 32, page number 32, point number 3. 18 toothpicks can be arranged into equal groups in different ways. Okay, so we need to find the factors of 18 and also the multiples of 18. Okay, so number 18. Okay, when we talk about factors, so we need to write the numbers which are the divisors where we get the remainder 0. 18 can be divided with 1, with 2, with 3, with 6, with 9 and 18. When we divide with these numbers, then remainder will be 0. So these are the factors for 18. So when we talk about multiples, so then here we need to tell you that the table of 18 like this is the multiple, but here the only question was to find out the factors. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, these are the factors for number 18. Now number 4 is 27, a multiple of 3 is 27 multiple of 3. Okay, so we need to see whether 27 is a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means table of 3. Multiple of 3 means table of 3. So we need to write the table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. Yes, 27 comes when we are talking about the table. So 27 is a multiple of 3. Okay, so it is confirmed. Our answer is yes. 27 is a multiple. 27 is a multiple of 3. When we write the table of 3, we get the number 27 also. Okay, so this was question number 4 on page number 32. So we see that the next point is 26 a multiple of 3? Is 26 a multiple of 3? Multiple of 3 means that you need to write the table of 3. If you write the table of 3, we see whether it comes or no. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. There is no 26 here, so this is not a multiple of 3. So when we write the table of 3, we don't find this figure. Another way to solve this question is that when we divide 26 by 3, so we get the remainder 2. If we don't get any remainder, if remainder is 0, then we can say that this is a multiple. Okay, this way is also correct, this way is also correct. Okay, now we move ahead and we see what's coming on our way to deal with. So we need to move to page number 33. Complete the sentences with factor or multiple. Okay, number part A is the 7 is a dash of 63. Okay, B part is 9 is a dash of 63. Part C, 63 is a dash of 7, and part D, 63 is a dash of 9. Okay, so we need to fill in the blanks either with factor or multiple. We have two choices. We need to use one of these to fill in the blanks. Okay, so we need to know what is the difference between multiple and factor. Multiple means the table of that number. Factor means the divisor, when we divide and we get the remainder 0. 7 is a dash of 63. When we write the table of 7, we get 763. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63. So when we read or write the table for 7, we get 63. Table means we are writing the multiples of 7. So 63 is the multiple of 7. Okay, but 7 is what of 63? 7 is a factor of 63. How we decide about the factor? When we divide this with this number, so we get 7 9s are 63. So remainder is 0. When remainder is 0, then this divisor is called the factor. We learned in the topic for factor that when we divide with that number, where after dividing we get remainder 0, so that number is called the factor. So 7 is a factor of 63. Why? Because when we divide 63 with 7, we get 0 remainder. 9 is a dash of 63. Similarly, when we divide it with 9, we get 9 7s are 63, remainder is 0. So when we divide with the number, that number, when we get, wherein we get the remainder 0, so that is a factor. So 9 is a factor of 63. 63, now it is reverse. 63 is a dash of 7. So when we know 63 is a dash of 7, when we write the table for 7, so we say 7 9s are 63. So we get the result 63. So 63 is a multiple of 7. It is a multiple of 7. Okay, 63 is a multiple of 7. When we talk about the result, this table of 7, we get 63. Similarly, 63 is a dash of 9. Okay, when we talk about the table of 9, we get 9 7s are 63. So 63 is a multiple of 9. Whatever comes in the table of the number, it is called the multiple. So 63 is a multiple of 9. When we take the multiples, okay, multiples of 9, tables of 9, so we get the result 63. So we say 63 is a multiple of 9. This was on page number 33. Now we will be talking about question number 7. We see what's there in for us to learn further. We are learning multiples and factors. So now number 7 is, point number 7 is 60 a common multiple of 5 and 6? Is 60 a common multiple of 5 and 6? So we need to see the multiples of 5 and 6, then we see whether we get 60 in both the lists. So when we talk about multiples of 5, so we just write the table for 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay. Then we write the table for 6. It becomes 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Here we have 60, here we have 60. So we have 60 in the list of both multiple for 5 and 6. So 60 is the common multiple of 5 and 6 because it is coming in both the lists of multiples for number 5 and number 6. So now moving ahead, we see number 8. What are the first three common multiples of 6 and 9? 6 and 9, what are the first three common multiples? 6 and 9 multiples. So common multiples. First we write about the multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Here we see 9, 18, table of 6, table of 9, 27, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. So here we see what are first three common multiples. Here we have 18, here we have 18. After that, here we have 36, here we have 36, here we have 54, here we have 54. So we saw that 9, that the common multiples, here we write common multiples, the multiples which are coming in both the lists, 18 here and here, 36 here, 36 here, and 54 here and here. So this is also for common multiples of 6 and 9. Okay. After that, we move to question number 9 on page number 34. List the first 10 multiples of 4 and 6. First 10 multiples means we need to just write the table of 4 and 6. Okay. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Like this, up to 4 times are 40. We will complete the table up to 10, 4 times are 40. Then similarly, multiples of 6 mean table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 up to 60. Okay. So here you can do the first two common multiples. Okay. So which common multiples are less than 30? So you can do both the parts. Then when we talk about the question number 10, we need to, what is the first common multiple of 6 and 8? We need to write the table of 6 and 8, and then we see that 24 is that number which is the first common multiple of both numbers 6 and 8. So this you can do yourself. So page number 35 you can do yourself the whole page. It is the same. By this way we have completed first two lessons for this chapter. So keep on watching the videos if these are useful. Then like the videos, share the videos and subscribe the channel.